Hi everyone. Today is Sunday, and again I come back to Scoreboard's hotel. Today bikini competition. Before I not take video because not allowed. Now I will ask, maybe allowed. If allowed, you can watch video from bikini competition Scoreboard's hotel. Thank you in advance. Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good.
Good to see you.
Georgi said, watch your video. I am allowed already take video.
Yeah.
That's why I will
We
try.
had to get some of the other people out of here first, and then redo it.
Yeah.
So
I hope allowed. Because sometimes today allowed, tomorrow not allowed.
I know. So you gotta get here.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, good to see you.
And see you.
Good. Got a couple people here. I think someone might have bought me a ticket, so I don't know.
I'm waiting my friends because they also here. So many girls. Hi. Hi guys.
I try not to go out.
And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, all the contestants for the third show from Beauties Sports Swimsuit competition. Ladies and gentlemen, it's speech time. Number 4. Miss Princess Aya Sobiano. Contestant number 3, 20 years of age, 4 eliminated height, and she measures 32, 24, and 32. From Swimsuit, representing the Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Miss Melanie Maldino. Contestant number 4, 26 years of age. She stands 5'2" in height and she measures 32, 25, and 34. From Pakistan, with a code number D555, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Ben Dinetta. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5, 25 years of age, 5'2" in height, and she measures 32, 27, and 33. From Cebu City, representing Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Risa Nickman. Contestant number 6, 25 years of age. She stands 5'2" in height and she measures 32, 23, and 33. All the way from the wonderful province of Samar, with a code number 528, representing Golden Memphis. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Mary Rose de Pancho. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 7, 26 years of age, 5'3" height, and she measures 34, 24, and 33. Also from the wonderful province of Samar, representing Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Maribel Mesola. Contestant number 8, 18 years of age. She stands 5'5" in height and she measures 35, 26, and 35. from Antipolo City, vehicle number D600, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for this Queen Conception. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 9, 26 years of age. 5'9" height, and she measures 32, 23, and 34. From Cebu City, representing Lollipop. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Mercado. Taking you guys to our next contestant from our first match. Contestant number 10, 19 years of age. She stands 5'5" in height, and she has a vital statistics of 33, 23, and 33. She hails from the city of Angels, Angeles City, with a code number 718. Representing Contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Hope Vildemore. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to inform you guys that all the sexy ladies on stage will be available for daily spring. For only 350 pesos, you could have one of our sexy first batch contestants right next to you. Just raise your hands whenever I'm doing the drink auction for each girls. First up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, Princess Ira Soriano from Contestant. Anybody here who would love to buy her some baby spring, please raise your hands.
Okay.
contestants for the surge of Mrs. Forwards. Swimsuit competition kicks off with our contestant number 11, 25 years of age. She stands 5'9" and she measures 32, 24, and 32. From the beautiful province of Surigao, representing the Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Reina Macondo. That's all, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12. 22 years of age, 5'6" in height, and she measures 34, 31, and 35 from the Subic Zambonas. When they call number D163, representing Ballhouse, ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Sophia Aguilar. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 13, 26 years of age. She stands 5'9" and she measures 32, 24, and 33 from Bicol. Representing Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Mary J. Beauties. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 14, 23 years of age, 4'11" in height, and she measures 32, 23, and 33. All the way from the wonderful province of Samar. With a code number D589, representing Balance. Ladies and gentlemen, give it the floor, Remedy Canedo. Coming on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 15, 26 years of age, 5'9", and she measures 32, 25, and 33. From Surigao, representing Lollipop, ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Catherine Olvide. Next up on stage, contestant number 16, 26 years of age, 4'11" in height, and she measures 32, 23, and 33 from the Plum City. With a code number D630, representing Dollhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Leslie Abrego. Miss Maurice Rosender. Ladies and gentlemen, it's space time. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 18, 27 years of age, 5'6" height, and she measures 34, 25, and 34. From Sweet Sabanas. Playing hole number 132, representing Contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Leia Sika. 25 years of age, 5'3" height, and she measures 32, 26, and 33. Also from that line, representing volleyball, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Ann Ruda. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 20, 25 years of age, 5'2" height, and she measures 32, 27, and 33. From the Blonde City, representing volleyball, ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Claire Bautista. You just raise your hands whenever I'm doing the drink motion for each hurdles. First up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 12, Mia Agoyao from the Dollhouse. Anybody here who would love to buy her some baby spring, kindly raise your hands. It's Mia from the Dollhouse is now available. Everyone in this building who would love to buy some baby spring, first floor, ticket bar. From the Dollhouse. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, good tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have your favorite contestant, countdown to making the top 10 finalists to be announced in a few minutes. All you have to do is post the beats. From what we look at is wearing red shirt. Running around, it only costs 100 pesos for the 6 rounds of beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Golden beads is equivalent to 300. Strings of beads. Remember, gentlemen, beads are the only criteria for judging of this contest. So meaning the more beads they get, the better chances of their winning. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the beads of our contestant number 1, Dolphy Bacchus. Contestant number 5 from the top, Risa Nicknack. event begins with our contestant number 2. Winning call number 495, representing Beauties. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Miss Princess Ina Soriano. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 3, representing Lollipop. Ladies and gentlemen, make way for Miss Melanie Malvina. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5, also from Lollipop. Ladies and gentlemen, give way for Miss Reza Bateman. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8. When they call number D600, representing Dollhouse, put their hands together for Queen Concepcion. Miss Jenny Mercado. Thank you so much, Jenny Mercado. That's all, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 10. Playing number 718, the representing Contestants. Put your hands together for Miss Hope Villagabord. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 14, winning code number D589, representing Dollhouse. Give it up for Miss Remedy Canelo. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 16, winning code number D630, representing Dollhouse. Make way for Miss Destiny Abrego. Golden Bees, a total of 6 Golden Bees for our contestant number 16. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 18, winning code number 122, representing Contestants. Ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Miss. Next up, the feminine Golden Bees, the contestant number 19, representing Lollipop. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Anne Luna. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's stage time. All right, ladies and
Now 6 p.m. Soon finish competition. And we eat with Georgi again watermelon. No good watermelon this, yeah? Georgi, do you like what? It's girl. It's number 2, really?
Yes.
This is girl from number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay. Georgi, what you think about today Scoreboards competition, bikini show? Before first time you been, second time you been, it's already not allowed take video, and you say it's not good. But what difference between first time and now?
Yes, first time is better. Maybe because it was first time for me. It's fresh expression, fresh impression. So, but I remember first time was food very interesting. It was beef in plum sauce, very soft, very tasty. But now and last time when no video allowed, food was not such good. Not like in January, not like first time.
So first time more better.
Yes, and more people because season, hot season in January. Now not many, maybe 5 tables was empty. Maybe 5-6 tables was empty. But in January all tables occupied and very difficult to find place for seat. So, and today 20 girls for competition, but last 2 times was about 15, maybe, yes, about 15.
So now more girls.
It's maximum, yes. Maximum.
What about girls before and now?
I think the same. Maybe 4 girls very good from all. Maybe 5.
So you choose two girls, but they not win.
No, one win. I choose now. First, when they go, I choose 3, 5, 6, 19. So win number 3, number 16, and number 8. I don't remember. So number 3 very good, young, beautiful.
From Lollipop Bar.
I don't remember.
From Lollipop.
Yes.
Because Marcus said he will go to Lollipop. Maybe he also like.
So number 19 I like because she is 25, yes, but looks still good, and yes, my type.
Georgi, do you recommend the scoreboards competition for tourists who go to the first time to the Philippines, first time to Angeles? Do you recommend it, or what? Or better go to a bar, or this place is better?
I don't know what they want.
No, it depends of guy what he want. If he want it, go to restaurant. If go to bar,
For me, yes, good because I can eat. Girls, not for me, not so important. So
for
it's-
me also.
yes, only maybe food.
But I know you been in the restaurant maybe 3 times. You take foods. It mean you like foods, or you take only fruits?
In this?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, first time I take only beef, pork, what else? Penne, it's macaroni. And 3 times more I take fruits and cakes. Yes. So food only for first time, one time.
Okay, so many fruits. Okay.
Yes, fruits.
Okay, Georgi, thank you. So next time, if allowed take video, we can come back to scoreboards. If allowed take video, we can
Yes,
show
September 15.
September 15.